Are you trying to decide between Gearup Booster and Lagofast? You're in the right place. Today, we'll compare these two popular tools to help you choose the best one for your needs. Both Gearup Booster and Lagofast aim to improve your gaming experience. They help reduce lag, boost connection speeds, and enhance overall performance. But how do they differ? Let's start with Gearup Booster. This tool is known for its user-friendly interface. It's easy to set up and works well with many games. Gearup Booster focuses on optimizing your internet connection. It automatically adjusts settings to give you smoother gameplay. Many users find it reliable and effective. Now, let's look at Lagofast. This tool also targets lag issues but takes a different approach. Lagofast uses a unique technology to analyze your network in real time. It finds the best route for your data, which can lead to faster connections. Users appreciate its advanced features, especially for competitive gaming. So, what are the main differences? Gearup Booster is straightforward and great for casual gamers. Lagofast, on the other hand, offers more advanced solutions for serious gamers who need the best performance. When it comes to features, Gearup Booster provides basic optimization tools. Lagofast includes more detailed analytics and real-time adjustments. If you want simplicity, Gearup might be your choice. If you prefer more control and insights, Lagofast could be better. Pricing varies for both tools. Gearup Booster tends to be more affordable, while Lagofast may cost a bit more for its advanced features. In the end, if you are a casual gamer looking for ease of use, go with Gearup Booster. If you are serious about gaming and want the best performance, Lagofast is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.